In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use League medals here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But League medals are super valuable currency that you can actually earn by participating in clan war leagues. But what's the smartest way to spend them? By far, the best value actually comes from buying hammers, especially the Hammer of Heroes and the Hammer of Buildings. These let you instantly upgrade without using any time, resources, or builders. Now, yes, decorations are pretty nice as well if you're into base aesthetics, but they also are just purely cosmetic. And if you're not a daily player or your builders just sit idle a lot, skip the hammers and instead spend your medals on gold and elixir. The conversion rate for these are solid and it keeps your progress going even if you're not on grinding. So active players obviously go for the hammers and casual players go for the resources. But yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out on the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.